New to boxing? Here are 5 great headgears to keep you safe and comfortable. Let's jump in. 1. Ringside competition. This one is a favorite among beginners and experienced boxers alike. It offers excellent cheek protection, helping to prevent bruises and black eyes. Something every beginner wants to avoid. The padding around the forehead and sides adds extra safety without being bulky. What makes it stand out is the lace up top and hook and loop closure at the back. That means you can adjust it for a snug, secure fit that doesn't shift while you're moving or sparring. It also gives you great visibility so you can keep an eye on your opponent without feeling like you're in a tunnel. 2. Venom Challenger. Headgear Venom is a well-known brand in combat sports, and the Challenger is a perfect example of why. It uses triple-density foam to absorb impact effectively, which is super helpful when you're still learning defense. It protects your cheeks, chin, and ears, all key spots, and still manages to be lightweight and breathable. The outer material is made from durable synthetic leather, which is easy to clean and holds up well over time. Plus, it just looks sleek, which never hurts when you want to feel confident in the gym. 3. RDXT2 Headguard. If you're looking for value for money, the RDXT2 is a solid choice. It uses Maya hide leather, a tough synthetic that resists wear and tear. The padding covers your cheeks, chin, and back of the head, giving you well-rounded protection. Its closure system keeps the headgear firmly in place, which is important. You don't want to stop mid-round to readjust your gear. It also has ventilation around the ears so you don't feel overheated. It's an ideal pick for anyone wanting durable, all-around protection on a budget. 4th. Title Boxing. Classic headgear. This one is made for serious beginners who plan to spar often. It features full-face padding, including thick cheek protectors, chin padding, and even a forehead cushion. What really makes it stand out is the face bar-style design some versions have, which adds an extra layer of defense without fully blocking your view. The overall feel is bulkier than some others, but that's the trade-off for maximum protection. If you're nervous about sparring, this is a great confidence booster. 5. Everlast Headgear. Everlast offers a few beginner-friendly models like the Everfresh and Safemax, and they're both solid options. These are budget-friendly, which is great if you're just testing the waters and don't want to spend too much. The padding provides decent protection for the cheeks, forehead, and sides, and the fit is generally secure for casual training. One nice bonus? The antimicrobial lining helps fight odors and bacteria. Very useful if you're training regularly. They're not the most premium on the list, but they'll do the job if you want something simple and affordable. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner boxing tips. Stay safe and keep training.